everybody, Jacob with ATV Wholesale Outlet in Sacramento, California. And guys, right behind me, I've got a massive selection of the best-selling bike in the US. That is the Lectric XP4. And so this year, what Lectric did is they took an existing best-selling bike that was the XP 3.0, and they redesigned it and took all of its strengths and built on it and all of its weaknesses and improved on it and introduced the new XP4 and the new XP4 750. The 750 has a bigger battery and a bigger motor, but what I want to do quickly is show you guys why we can't get enough of this bike. I mean, you'll see behind me, we've got all the colors, step through and step over. I've got the XP4, the XP4 750, and I just can't get enough of them. We are busy all day long selling these bikes, and for good reason. There's a reason it's the best-selling bike in the US, because in my opinion, it checks every box. So let's take a quick, deeper dive and see why this might be the right bike for you. As mentioned, the Lectric XP4 isn't just the next version of the best-selling e-bike in America, it's a full-on reinvention. Lectric took what made the XP series so popular, value, reliability, simplicity, and made every single part of it better. But here's what's wild. They didn't raise the price. It still starts at just $999. You're getting a redesigned frame that rides smoother and looks more refined, an upgraded torque sensor that responds instantly but naturally, and a bright new color display that shows only what you actually need. Speed, assist level, and battery. No clutter, no distractions, it just works. There's a new suspension fork, better grips, a more upright position, and finally, no more keeping the key in while you ride. Little things that make a big difference. The XP4 now comes with turn signals, integrated lights, hydraulic brakes, a Shimano 8-speed shifter, and it folds in seconds while still feeling rock solid on the road. And the 750-watt upgrade? Game changer. For just $300 more, you get 50% more power, 67% larger battery, a suspension seat post, and a brighter headlight. You'll feel the difference right away. More torque on hills, more range, and just an all-around more confident ride. Plus, those new colors, pine green and raindrop blue, tasteful, clean, and they stand out in all the best ways. And here at ATV Wholesale Outlet, we're proud to be the #1 Lectric dealer in California and one of the top in the entire country. We've got full parts, service, and warranty support right here in-house. When you shop with us, you're not just buying a bike, you're joining a community backed by the highest rated e-bike shop in the US. So come on in, see our selection, and take it for a test ride, and feel for yourself why the XP4 checks every single box. So if you're in the market for an excellent bike with a great price point, amazing ride quality, and an actual dealer support network, come visit us here at ATV Wholesale Outlet in Sacramento. We get people driving hours just to come and see our shop because no one's got the selection that we have. We've got the customer service, we do the warranty, and we professionally assemble these bikes. A lot of people underestimate the time and attention these bikes actually need during assembly. It's not just as easy as unfolding the frame and tightening the bar. We find things all day long that need attention. So guys, you get a bike here that's professionally assembled, you test ride it before you leave, and you take whatever color and style you want. We've got them all here at ATV Wholesale. We'd love to serve you. Come on in and check us out here in Sacramento, California. We'll be seeing you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.